Tired of hitting that paywall every time you need to use Word, Excel, or PowerPoint on your Mac? Let's unlock the world of free Microsoft Office on your Mac, exploring legit ways to access these essential tools without spending a dime. First, let's navigate to Office.com in your web browser. This will take you to the official Microsoft Office website. Here, you can sign up for a free Microsoft account if you don't already have one, or simply log in if you do. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to the free online versions of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and other Office apps. These versions are lighter than the desktop applications but offer all the basic functionalities you need for most tasks. Another option is to explore the free trial of Microsoft 365. You can usually find a 1-month free trial directly on the Microsoft website. Remember to cancel your subscription before the trial ends if you don't want to be charged. Finally, if you are a student or educator, you might be eligible for free access to Microsoft Office through your school or university. Check with your institution's IT department or website for details on how to access these educational discounts. This is often the best way to get the full desktop versions of the Office apps for free. So, ditch the frustration and embrace the power of free Microsoft Office on your Mac. Whether through online versions, a trial subscription, or educational benefits, you've got options. Now go forth and create.